Hi there. Today, we are going to talk about using progress boards in Leap. We will begin by discussing what progress boards are and some common use cases for them. Then, we will walk through how you can create a progress board in Leap. Afterwards, we will show you how you can add jobs to a progress board. Before we go, we'll wrap up today's video showing you how you can manage progress boards on a desktop computer and in the mobile app. Let's start by discussing what progress boards are. Progress boards are an excellent tool for keeping track of your progress with specific milestones that a job may have. With the ability to update the status of columns by marking it as done, adding a date, or adding custom text, progress boards allow you to quickly update the status of items outside of their workflow stage. Differing from workflow stages, progress boards allow you to keep you and your team up to date on those important milestones and checklist items. Progress boards are a great way to manage tasks within a particular stage. Maybe you have an intricate production checklist that you want to share with the team, or possibly want to have different tasks completed for specific work and trade types. By creating progress boards, you can selectively choose which jobs you want to add to which boards. To create a progress board, you'll first need to click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Then, from the Settings menu, click System Settings. When the Settings menu expands, click Progress Boards. When you get to your Progress Boards configuration page, click the Add Progress Board button. Then, you'll need to create a name for the progress board. For today's video, I'm going to use the example of managing permit applications, so I'll name it Permits. In this example, we'll want to keep track of the permit type, permit information, county the property is located within, application submission date, and the approval date. To accomplish this, we will create a column for each of those details. This will allow us to track the status of each column for every job added to this progress board. Once finished, click the Save button. Now that my progress board is created, we're going to walk through adding a job to a progress board on a desktop computer. First, we'll need to locate a job that we want to add to a progress board. It is possible to automate the process of adding jobs to a progress board when they hit a certain stage. However, for this video, we are going to show you how you can manually add them. Using your Customer Manager, you can browse, search, or find a recent job record. I'm going to access the Customer Manager and find a job from a recent customer. Let's use David Johnson's roof replacement job. When you expand the customer's record, you'll see a Quick Actions menu bar within the job record. Click on the Progress Boards icon. When you click the Progress Boards icon, a menu will appear. You'll be able to select any progress boards that you would like to add the job to. Once you've selected all of the applicable progress boards, click the Add button. You'll now see a flag indicating that that job was added to the progress board. If you want to hop into the progress board, you can simply click on the progress board name. From there, you can update information within a column for any jobs. By clicking on a cell, you can mark it as done, add a date, or add text. You can also make certain cells stand out by setting a color for the cell. Then sometimes, you may want to create a task related to a specific item. You can click this icon to create a task. A window will appear, prompting you to create a title, assign it to a user, select a due date, and more. If you ever want to access all of your progress boards, you can do so from your Tools menu. Now that you know a bit about managing progress boards on a PC or desktop computer, let's take a look at how you can manage them in the mobile app. Once you open the Leap mobile app, tap on Customer Manager. We're going to find a job to add to a progress board. You can browse or search for a customer and job if you would like, but I am going to pick one of my recent customers. Let's go back to David Johnson again. I'll tap on David's record. Now, because progress boards are for job records, I'll tap on the Jobs tab. Once I see all of the job records for the customer, I'll want to press and hold on a specific job record. In this case, We'll go back into David's roofing job. I'll then want to tap in progress boards. I can see which progress boards David currently has added to his record, along with the ability to add him to a new progress board by tapping the Add button. For this video, we'll tap into the progress board he is currently added to, so you can see how progress boards are managed within the mobile app. As you can see, updating a column works very similar to editing on a computer's browser. Now that you've learned about the basics of progress boards, dive in. How would you use them in your business?